Hello, everyone, and congratulations on your admission to your college. The Office of the Bursar team appreciate you joining us today. At this time, I'd like to provide you a summary of services provided by our office. So let's get started. In an effort to provide our student exceptional customer service, recently our office have modified the mode of services to our students. In addition to services provided on campus, you can now visit us via a Zoom room. The QR code above will link you directly to our webpage where you can view the Zoom room and campus office hours. If you'd prefer to call us, our office phone number is 718-262-2186 or 718-262-2187. We can also be contacted via email at bursar@york.cuny.edu. If you have any documents such as a tuition assistance voucher, you can now upload that document via our portal that you can find on our webpage. Payments are also accepted via Dropbox. The Dropbox is located at the Office of Public Safety, Room 1M08. Kindly leave a check or money order for your payment, which will be retrieved, processed on your account, and a receipt will be sent to you. Please note, absolutely no cash should be left in our Dropbox. At this time, I'd like to discuss with you what to expect once you have registered for classes. As a courtesy, classes for the incoming freshmen and transfer students will not be deregistered for non-payment. Keep in mind, payments are deferred, granting you the opportunity to pay your tuition at a later time. In-person payments are accepted. We're located in room AC1H01. Payments can be made using cash, certified and personal checks. Money orders are accepted at the service window on campus. Kindly visit our webpage at york.cuny.edu to view our campus office hours. Payments can also be submitted online via your CUNY First account. All major credit cards are accepted, as well as debit cards, as long as there is a MasterCard and Visa logo. You can also use an e-check for payment. Please note, however, a service fee of 2.65% is charged for card usage. However, no fee is charged for an e-check payment. The Office of the Bursar is responsible for the collection of tuition and fees. You can also submit a tuition assistance voucher to us, obtain billing information regarding veteran students, discuss a Bursar hold on your CUNY First account, as well as obtain statement of account for your tuition and fees, inquire about Nelnet tuition payment plan. You can acquire information regarding direct deposit, parking permit, as well as payment for your readmission fees. Here are some frequently asked questions which may help you with some of the questions you may have. How can I make monthly payments? Monthly payments are offered through Nelnet Tuition Payment. It's an interest-free monthly payment plan offered for the spring, summer, and fall semesters. Student must initiate a contract on their CUNY First account. A $25 registration fee is charged to initiate a contract. Upon enrollment, a portion of the tuition is paid and the balance of the tuition is then divided into equal monthly payments. Should you have any further questions, kindly contact Nelnet at 888-470-6014. How do I know I've joined the payment plan? Once you have initiated and complete the process, you'll receive a confirmation notice. In addition, a BPP Positive Service Indicator, which is a payment plan code, will be updated to your CUNY First record. This code simply indicates you are enrolled with Nelnet payment plan. What if I join the payment plan and then my financial aid is approved? Once your financial aid is approved and your award appears on CUNY1st, you must contact Nelnet to have your payment plan either modified or canceled. What if my bill is covered by financial aid? If your bill is fully covered by financial aid and your account depicts an anticipated award, a positive service indicator is placed on your account, which will prevent your classes from being deregistered. Please note, if you do not plan to attend the semester, you must drop courses by logging onto CUNY1st to make the necessary changes before the first day of classes in order to avoid any incurring tuition liability. What happens if I fail to settle my tuition and fee charges by the due date? Courses may be deregistered if payment is not received by the due date. What happens if I owe a balance from the previous semester? Students with an outstanding balance will have a negative service indicator placed on their account. A negative service indicator will prevent a student from registering for classes or receiving any financial services from any department within the institution. What are tuition refunds? When a student's account reflects more financial aid or payment than necessary to cover the tuition and fees, the student may be eligible for a refund. Refunds are generally processed by the CUNY on a weekly basis. Students who do not opt to enroll in direct deposit will receive a check to their mailing address. So it's important to make sure that your address on file is correct, and if there's an apartment, please make sure that the apartment number is correct. When will I receive my 1098-T form for tax purposes? All students that are entitled to a 1098-T form will receive one. Forms are generally mailed directly from the City University of New York to their mailing address listed on file. The forms will be sent no later than January 31st. If you do not receive your 1098-T by February 15th, kindly contact the Office of the Bursar for assistance at 718-262-2185 or 718-262-2186. In addition, students may view and print their 1098-T form online via the self-service page. This concludes this presentation, and welcome again to your college, and the Office of the Bursar staff members wishes you a successful semester.